it. Don't lie.
What are the Bomboclaat this?
Don't.
So this is a house of Bomboclaat now.
Guys, me and Renee, we're going to team up. We are going to be pretending to be arguing and saying our mum's favourite word, Bomboclaat. Let's see her reaction. Guys, me and Renee, we're doing it now. Renee, did you just take my Roblox card from my bag?
I don't know, Bomboclaat, take your Roblox card.
You know that I had this Roblox card in my Bomboclaat bag. Why did you Bomboclaat take it?
I don't know, me not take the Bomboclaat Roblox card.
Yes, you Bomboclaat did. Don't lie to my Bomboclaat face.
What about your Bomboclaat friends?
What? Wait. I want to go on down here.
Still bring up.
How will the Bomboclaat this? I will be here, yes, Chanel. I'm ready.
Really, she Bomboclaat take my
Hey.
Roblox card.
I'm your talk and you still a say it.
Because she's a Bomboclaat liar.
How will the blood clot? The two of you start cuss bad one now. We don't know, see me alone if you say that in here. Eh?
What time is Bomboclaat girl to stop lying?
What
She Bomboclaat took it. Don't lie.
What are the Bomboclaat this?
Don't.
So this is a house of Bomboclaat now. Who don't bother take it up? And my word that. Yeah? You and Renee enough to say it. This is my word. Don't make me hear when you say it again. I'm serious. What are the Bomboclaat this? So, when you start to cuss bad dinner now, and the first me I hear, you know, that means that this is something we always Bomboclaat do. So how would you get so out of order and start to say that word? That word is not for you, and it's not for you. Don't make me hear when you say it again.
Okay.
How many Bomboclaat this? No, when you cut out that shit, it's not for no word. Me alone supposed to say it, because me I pay the bill in here. Them word, and when you pay a bill, you say it. You don't hear me?
Yeah.
You don't hear me? Alright, me don't talk.
I was actually trying to hold my laugh, guys. That was so freaking funny. By the way, I'm gonna go.